Hello, ZiPPO Norway here again with a new ZiPPO unboxing / review. Today we're gonna take a look at a replica ZiPPO. It's nothing special. I think most of you have seen this before. This is the 1935 replica in a brushed finish with the slashes. So here it is. Oh, come on, focus. Price for this is $29.95. I paid about $20, I think. Brand new. This one was made in E of 2014, and you can see 1935 replica stamp in the bottom. I'm gonna remove the price tag. And the seal. There you go. Like this. So here it is. It's a little bit different from the newer ZiPPOs with an external hinge, and you got only a 3-barrel hinge. The insert is almost identical to the new one, and the newer ZiPPOs. You got a 16-hole chimney, but you got a hollow pin for the flint wheel. Beside that, it's pretty much the same. Get some residue there. I have one of these 1935 replicas in my collection, but that's a limited edition one. It's this one, and this is the collectible of the year 2013 edition. So wow, this is the same lighter. This was made in 13, but it has a different stamp. Never seen this before. But it's the same lighter. The only difference is you got a Windy Girl emblem on the front. So I bought two of these, one for my collection and one one to be a user. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys later. Bye bye.